YouTube, we have a Challenger in the driveway today. This is my girlfriend Melissa's car. It is a 2017 Challenger GT. It is a V6, and she just bought it recently and was not happy with the level of noise coming out of the back of the car. It was extremely quiet, so we decided to do something about it. We researched every sound clip of every V6 Challenger on the internet and read every forum post that was out there for V6 Challengers. And I know the common theme is they're not going to sound like a V8. Super T10s are popular, the MagnaFlows are popular, that sort of thing. But on my research, what I found was, at least the best thing that I saw was someone who put the Jones mufflers on, and I'm going to give you a part number here in a second. And they are the Jones MF1256. I bought these from Summit Racing for, I think they were around 50 bucks a piece. And what we had done was had the mid mufflers removed, welded in these mufflers, and removed the resonators out the back. And I don't know if I'll be able to get a shot of it, but I'll try to. So we had new tailpipes put in, and you can see the mufflers are tucked under there. Now, the mufflers are big, and they barely fit under there. But from what I was told, you have to use the big muffler to get any kind of a decent sound out of it, and that's what we did. Had them welded up. We paid, I think, $250 to have them installed. So pretty happy with it overall. So I will get Melissa to start this car up and give you a sound clip of what it sounds like. And I didn't get a sound clip of it without the exhaust removed, because you all know what they sound like. They're very quiet. But I'll give you a cold start here. So it has a nice deep rumble to it. There is absolutely no drone inside the car. I shouldn't say no drone. Once in a while, 1500, 2000 RPM, you hear a little bit, but it's not obnoxious. It's definitely acceptable drone, but cruising at highway speeds, completely quiet. The interior of the car is fairly quiet. I mean, you know you have aftermarket mufflers on, but it's not obnoxious at all. So at any rate, we're very happy with the exhaust on it. If you're looking for more of a rumble than the racer type noise, I would suggest the Jones mufflers. They're big. They're going to need to be welded on. I don't think it's something you'd want to do in your driveway unless you have a welder. And pretty happy with it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Actually, don't call me. Leave me a message. And if this helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.